3-2. You sure it's Yeah. Kyle, 3-2 victory over Clarendon College. The team that everyone is saying that they must win, they will take everything. But you came here tonight, a masterclass free kick in the back of the net, delivered a master performance as well, getting the man of the match. First of all, how are you feeling about your performance?
Well, it's a wonderful feeling as always. I try to give my best every time I go out on the pitch. So, yeah, wonderful feeling.
A performance is like this from you specifically at this stage in the competition and at this level. What does that make you feel that this is the level that you should be playing every single week, and you think that this is what you should be aiming towards from here?
Well, as always, go out on the pitch, do my best, and I'm the man for my team, so I have to deliver every time I step on the pitch.
That free kick, what was going to your mind at that point?
Well, feel it. Feel it from me as back the ball. All of them, they want them to say, no, I mind this. Yeah. I'm kicking a back in it.
Finally. And when you hit the back of net, you wanted to run that side, you wanted to run that side. What was going to your mind? What celebration? You wanted to pick your try, think about a celebration?
They know what me did want. Manager did over there, so yeah. Him good to, so yeah.
All right. So on to the next matchup. You guys are no one take out the glory for tonight. On to the next matchup, the Casa Cup. You guys would have already played them twice, and you won once, which matters most in this final. Going up to the Casa Cup, what's your thoughts on that game coming up?
Well, as I said in the earlier interviews, just keep focus, get fast recovery, and get stronger in the next game.
All right. Big up yourself here, Kyle. Well done.